The stock exhaust. Now we have a single Rjwc mud edition. Oh, it's okay. So now we have an Slg. No, I'm good. Idles at 105. So now we've got an Rjwc Mud Series duals. So they idle at 98, 99. Okay, now we've got the Yoshimura exhaust on an 800 XMR. So it idles at 89.9. All right, so here's a stock 850 Outlander with the stock exhaust. We're gonna test out the sound levels. Idling at 86 to 87. Get it up around 5,000. That's 93 to 94. Okay.
I brought my half-inch vacuum-powered impact. Do my snap-on one.
Oh yeah?
Okay, Matt, you're up, bud.
What?
Hold on, give me 1 second. Hold on.
Hmm?
Okay, so now we have a single Rjwc mud edition. That's 94 to 96. The peak was 117.9.
Bossy, you're real good there.
Yeah, right in the mouth.
Hey, back home? Back home. Torque wrench is there.
Thanks.
It's preset.
Would you like me to do something?
Oh, no, it's okay. So now we have an SLG.
My new, the area.
No, I'm good. Idles at 105. She got all sorts of decibels.
Your turn, shithead.
Doing mine again?
So now we've got an Rjwc Mud Series duals. So they idle at 98, 99. And they peak at 119.4.
I'm the Yoshi here now, I guess.
Who are you?
We'll give her a go.
Matt.
Hold on. Okay, now we've got the Yoshimura exhaust on an 800 XMR. So it idles at 89.9. And it peaks out at 115.2. Perfect.